Hey, what is up guys? This is Q and today I'm going to show you how to make the ing form in Korean. Alright, so it's pretty easy. So all you have to do is take the dictionary form. So this is 하다, which means to do, and you just take off the 다 and you add a 고있어. Okay? So that becomes a 하고있어, which is not to do but doing. Okay? And to make it formal, you just add a yo to the end. So it's 하고있어요. Alright, let's look at this one. This is 마시다, 마시다, to drink. So it's pretty, it's the same thing. You just add the 고있어 after removing the 다. It becomes drinking. 마시고있어, 마시고있어. Okay, and then to make it formal again, you add the yo. Okay, this one, 도망가다, 도망가다 means to run away. Okay, the same thing, you just remove the 다 and then you add a 고있어, and that's 도망가고있어. Okay, and then 도망가고있어요. This is the formal version. Alright, so let's look at some sentences. So I color coded these so you could see that each color represents the word in Korean in English. So this is 나 지금 게임 하고 있어. 나 지금 게임 하고 있어. So it means I'm playing games right now. In Korean we say we're doing game. We don't say we're playing games. Okay, so the next one. 나 지금 주스 마시고 있어. 나 지금 주스 마시고 있어. These colors, you can replace them with any kind of similar word. Like, for example, the yellow color juice, you can, for example, replace it with the word Coke, which is 콜라, 콜라. So you could say, 나 지금 콜라 마시고 있어. I'm drinking cola now. Alright, and the last one, 나 지금 도망가고 있어. 나 지금 도망가고 있어. I am now running away. Alright, now you guys can try. Here are some common verbs in Korean. So again, you just have to take off the 다 and you just add a 고있어. Okay, I'll add the answers in the description below, so make sure to check that out. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time.